didn't go out. I rang in sick. You know what I did? Don't tell you, go to the toilet and tell you, yeah. I texted, a bit of a weakling, yeah. I texted the person and I said, I'm not going out simply from having a bit of nausea from listening to a few of these tracks by this band that I was gonna go and see. Enough about them. They're just actors. Real time people check the fucking playlist. I'm sure the CIA is. And they think, shit, he's not bullshitting with this keeping up the time, is he? And I'm not speaking in code because there's a band called the Actors playing tonight in Manchester, yeah? People out there? America? Anyone? Check the playlist. I don't know where they're playing because I couldn't be bothered going out, that's why. Especially after listening to a few of their tracks. So I'd rather stay home. Get Chugdream. Get Chugdream on the fucking speakers. Get a split roll. Get us a nice cheap bottle of wine. Yeah, splash that a bit more on this one. Not that much though, you know what I mean? Compared to the right now. And chill, yeah. It's much better than going out, I tell you. And so on about these Freemason types, yeah? In people's family, whatever way, whether it be granddad or well, it's more likely going to be granddad. Now, this has been apparent all the time, right? The mentality, the smeared like a smudge, genetically, right across, and it's just where you're looking at things, and it kind of like diminishes over time, but still there. So, descendants of Freemasons, even, you don't have to ever visit a lodge or go to any place like that. They still have a contrasting, because it kind of contrasts with a reality as well. This is where the confusion comes in, maybe, of what's right and what's wrong. I mean, even like Govinda's dad had a dabble of Dianetics. And it's not like doing anything wrong, so I'm not slagging you off. I mean, it's putting him out here. Like, this is what the CIA and all the fucking FBI and shit know already, people. So, and I'm not bullshitting, see? That's what's funny about this again. Look, there's my door. Lucky.